Alright, first, let me show you a basic tutorial about WeChat Moments. Here we go. WeChat Moment is where you can post something to share them with your WeChat friends. It is post text only, pictures, and video. Of course, video should not longer than 15 seconds. But like I said, I have tricks, so don't go away, I will show you later. In this video, I will show you how to post text-only WeChat Moments, how to post video WeChat Moments, how to post documents WeChat Moments, how to post long video WeChat Moments, and setting your WeChat Moments, share your post to Facebook or Twitter. Now, let me show you basic WeChat Moments features. Log in to your WeChat account and then tap the Discover icon on the bottom of the screen here. And then you will see Moments. Just click on Moments. If you want to post text-only WeChat Moments, you just need to long press this camera icon. Just remember, long press this camera icon. And then you will go to the post text page. You just need to enter text in here. Okay. And then you just need to click on post. Of course, if you want to add some information to your post, then you can add location. If you want to add location tag, just click on location. And if you want to mention your WeChat friend, just click on mention and then select WeChat friends you want to mention. And the most important part is sometimes you just don't want to share your post to everyone on your context. So you need to click on share to. Just click on share to and then you can choose whom you want to share with. Share to public, which means all contacts can see your WeChat moment. But if you blocked someone or not showing to someone, then they are not able to see your WeChat moment. Let me show you. Click on this three dots on the top right corner. You need to click on Privacy. So if you don't want these WeChat friends to see your WeChat moment, you can click on Hide My Posts. Just click on here and then he will never see your WeChat moment. And if you want to block this WeChat user, just click on Block. Then he will be blocked. He will not see your WeChat moment. And as for share list group, you can select from group. Okay, this is my WeChat group. You can select which group can see your WeChat moment. Or you can select from context. This is a WeChat tag. I recommend you to set up a tag to each WeChat friend. Like here is from different countries WeChat users, so I set a tag to each one. And then I just need to click this tag. And do not share list is something similar. Alright, and then just click on post. This will be shared. Okay, now let me go back. If you want to post photos or video, just short tap this camera icon. Then you can choose from album or you can take a photo or video on camera. Right now, I just want to choose from album. Then I need to click on choose from album. Click on that and then you can choose the pictures. And you can select up to 9 photos. If you want to change the order of the image, you just need to drag it to where you want to place. Alright, and then, just like I said, you can add location, mention, and share to. Alright, and then click post. If you forgot to add enough picture, you can click on this plus icon to add more image. Click on here. And as for how to share your WeChat moment to Facebook, Twitter, and QZone, the first one is QZone. QZone is where you can post something on QQ account. If you want to share your WeChat moment to Facebook, you just need to click on Facebook icon, click on here, and you should link your Facebook account first and then share it. As for the third icon is a Twitter icon. I did not link my Twitter account, so there is something error on this icon, but you can click on that. Actually, it is. Just click on here and then you need to link your Twitter account. Alright. And then click on OK. So you just need to click on post, and then everything is done. Alright. Let me go back. Now let me show you how to post photos or video from camera. Just short tap this camera icon again and then click on camera. Alright, now this camera, you can switch your camera. Just click on the top right corner of the screen, this switch camera here. And if you want to take a photo, you just click on this circle, white circle icon. Short click and then it will take a photo. Then you will see there are some tools on the bottom. Click on that. There are some tools and emoji. Okay, emoji. You can drag this emoji and the title. This is title. Alright, title. And then click on down. This is just basic tutorial. Alright, okay, let me go back. Now I will show you how to post camera, how to shoot a video. Now you need to long press this circle icon, and you can scrolling down and up to zoom in and zoom out. This is also a trick. You can add some music. There is a music icon. If you want to add music to your video, you just need to click on this music icon and then search the music you want to add. And you can check this music or uncheck this audio. And then click on down. Okay, this is just the same, and then just click on post. Your video post will be done. Now let me show you some tricks to post the long video documents like Word, Excel, PDF, something like that. So now you need to click on me icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Me icon, click on here and then click on favorite. Now you need to click on plus icon on the top right corner of the screen. And then you need to click on this icon to post the long video. And the video should be not longer than 5 minutes. You should keep that in mind. There is a video about 4 minutes. I want to post this one. Just click on that and then click on done. Just wait a minute. Now you need to click on 3 dots icon on the top right corner of the screen here. Click on here. And then you need to click on Share on Moments. This one. Share on Moments. Okay, now you can type something. So if you want to add location tag, just click on location. And if you want to mention someone, click on mention and share to. So now you just need to click on post. Then this will be post. Now let me go back. Let me show you how to post document. How to post documents. Click on Me icons and click on Favorites. Again, you need to click on this plus icon. Alright, and now you need to click on this folder icon. Just click on here. And then select documents you want to share. Next, you need to click these three dots again, and then click on Share on Moments. Alright. The last step is click on Post. Then the documents will be shared on your WeChat Moments. So in this video, almost cover everything about WeChat Moments. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe this channel. Thank you.